Alright, so what happens is the gastrin is released from different locations in the GI. It is released from the G cells in the antrum of the stomach and from the duodenum. The antrum is next to the pyloric valve, and from the beta and the non-beta islet cells of the pancreas. So here is the pylorus and the antrum. It released from there. Gastrin is released from there, and duodenum. Gastrin is released from there, and also it's released from the pancreas over here. And gastrin is released in response to food intake, especially aromatic amino acids, calcium ions, and amino acid derivatives. Gastrin release is inhibited by somatostatin, and gastrin is a ligand for the CCK2R receptor. And CCK2R receptor is primarily expressed on the ECL, enterochromaffin-like cells. And activation of the ECL cells causes it to release histamine, and histamine binds to the parietal cells, which will induce the hydrogen pumps to go to the plasma membrane of the parietal cells. So we have gastrin being released from the G cells here, binding to the receptor, and then histamine released from the ECL, and histamine binding the parietal cell, and hydrogen ions coming out into the stomach. And these are some other ways that gastrin is released. All right, and Karim was going to talk about the pathophysiology.